Alright, welcome to another Kali Linux video with Ripken. In the last video, I installed Burp Suite. In this video, I'm going to configure it, get it working so that it'll intercept traffic. I went ahead and set everything up so I can walk through it all. First thing we want to do is find Firefox if it's not on your panel like it is for me. So just click up here in the upper left, search through your applications for Firefox. Now from here, you can either right click and add it to favorites or add it to the panel to get it up here. Whatever you'd like to do. In any case, I'm going to launch it. And as you can see, I removed FoxyProxy. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to my add-ons here in Firefox. I'm going to type in FoxyProxy, hit enter. And I want to add this extension, the FoxyProxy Standard. So I'll click it, add to Firefox, hit add. I'm going to allow the extension in private windows. You don't need to check that, but in any case, just say, okay, got it, or click that. Close these tabs out. Now that we have FoxyProxy in our add-on list, click it, go to options, hit add. I'm going to name it Burp. You can name it whatever you'd like, as long as you know what it is. And I'm going to set the IP to 127.0.0.1, port 8080, because that's what Burp will be running everything through. Save it. And that looks good. Close the tab. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on by clicking Burp, the one, whatever you named it. Click it, make sure it's got the green check. Now I'm going to launch Burp Suite. Next, in the previous video, I set up this Dracula theme. You can watch that if you want to see how I did that. And we're going to go over to proxy. Just make sure intercept is on. And go to HTTP burp. And I'm just going to click on my browser. I want this certificate, so we're going to save it. And it's already done downloading. Let's go into our preferences in Firefox. Go to the privacy and security tab, scroll all the way to the bottom. View certificates, import. And we want this cert that we just downloaded. I'm going to get an error when I open it because I've already done it and I didn't take it out of Burp. But shouldn't give you this. Just hit OK when you come back to this screen. And double check, make sure Burp's working by. You can just drop all that traffic. Let's go to google.com. Burp pops up. Has it all in here. We can forward it. And you can see that it's picking up the traffic. And that's it. It should be working. So remember to turn it off when you actually want to browse the internet and you don't want it intercepting. And you should be good to go. If you liked the video, remember to hit the like, subscribe, and feel free to comment if there's something else you'd like to see in the future.